Hello classmates and Ma'am Jenny, I am Neil Simon A. Salinas. Today I will tackle about comets. Look upon a bright night sky. Aside from the stars, moon, and planets, can you see other objects in the sky? Can you identify and describe them? In this lesson, you will find out what comets are and what materials that made them. You will go through its composition and what do scientists usually call a comet. Images are provided for you to visualize and amaze you on what does a comet looks like, what materials that made them, and what makes it different among the other members of the solar system. What is comet? A comet is an icy body that releases gas or dust that, when passing close to the sun, warms and begins to release gases, a process called outgassing. Sometimes it is called dirty snowball and some scientists call them dirt balls. This is what comet looks like in the sky. A comet contains dust, ice, carbon dioxide, ammonia, methane, and more. The comet orbits around the sun. As the comet gets closer to the sun, the ice or the surface on the nucleus begins turning into gas, forming a cloud known as the coma. The radiation from the sun pushes dust particles away from the coma, forming a dust tail, while charged particles from the sun convert some of the comet's gases into ions, forming an ions or plasma tail. Scientists also discovered the third type of comet tail, which is a feint of sodium. Comet tails are always pointing away from the sun, since they are shaped by sunlight and the solar wind. A comet has the following parts, namely nucleus, tail, the gas and dust atmosphere around the nucleus, solid center, tail, extending millions of miles through space. You can see a number of comets with the naked eye when they pass close to the sun because of their comas and tail reflect sunlight or even glow because of energy they absorb from the sun. However, most comets are too small to be seen without a telescope. Long-period comets come from the Oort clouds, is a ring of dust and comets that circles the sun. The short-lived comets come from Kuiper belts or Kuiper cloud is a disc-shaped area visible outside Saturn's orbit and beyond Neptune's belt. This is the picture of Oort clouds and Kuiper clouds looks like in the space. Comets leave traces of debris behind them that's seen as meteor showers on Earth. Comets are named after their discoverer. For instance, Comet Shoemaker Levy 9 got its name because it was 9 short periodic comet. It was discovered by Eugene and Caroline Shoemaker and David Levy. One of the famous comets that constantly visit the Earth every 75 to 79 years and visible to the naked eye when it nears to the sun is Halley's Comet. It was named after its discoverer, Edmund Halley. When Halley's Comet zoomed near Earth in 1986, 5 spacecraft flew past it and gathered unprecedented details. When do you expect to see Halley's Comets to visit Earth? Last visit was 1986. Then, after 75 years again, we will expect to see Halley's Comet. So, makikita ulit natin ang Halley's Comet sa 2061 at tayo ay 50 to 51 years old na. Elderly beliefs about comets. Throughout history and across culture, people have viewed the passing of a comet as an omen, a sign of something good or bad to come. The ancient Greek believed that comets foretold war or an outbreak of disease. Thank you, classmate, for listening.